Hey everyone,
hey
what's
guys.
going on? Hi Yoon, say hi in America. Now listen, we have a huge announcement coming up. You guys seen over the past couple days, Will, you guys know Will's down here in Florida for a huge announcement. It's so big that we actually didn't finish it, and so we have to delay it for Tuesday. It's now scheduled for Tuesday at 8 o'clock. There's a small possibility that we might have to reschedule it for Wednesday at 8 o'clock, but I know with Yuna's support, we are going to have it done by hopefully tomorrow night by 8 p.m. It's something big, guys. I know a lot of people are saying on Club Art Deco. One, Andrea's not pregnant, okay? And, you know, so many people are saying a whole bunch of stuff. We're working on something huge for Matt's RV Reviews, and the only thing that it's going to do is benefit you, the viewers. We only have one shot at this, and so we want to make it right for everybody, okay? And tonight was a night that we were supposed to have a video, or no, tomorrow's a night that we're supposed to have the video, but we're going to try and do the live tonight. Instead. So what we're going to do right now, guys, I still want to give you a video. There's a brand new RV out there that none of you have heard about. Will, tell everybody the name.
It is called the Grech. Grench.
Grech RV is the manufacturer.
Yep.
And the motorhome is called a Strada.
I believe so, yeah.
It's called a Strada. I actually haven't even seen one yet first. We're going to go over to a clip of our boss, Matt Kosmowski, kind of giving the world premiere of the Strada. And he
probably one of the first ones.
Yep, he knows more about it than us. So enjoy this video, and we will be coming to you guys tomorrow with the live announcement, hopefully tomorrow at 8 p.m. If you guys set your reminder for that video already, there's no need to reset it because it will already send you a reminder. Okay. So, thanks so much.
See ya.
Hi everyone, it's Matt with Grech RV. I'm really excited to show you what's behind me right now. This is the brand new 2021 Grech Strada. This is a market exclusive. Brand new to us, brand new to the industry. This thing has features that we haven't seen before in the Class B segment. It's definitely gonna turn some heads. So let's go check it out. All right, so a couple of things we're gonna go over with this today because there's a lot to cover, so many great features. We're gonna start on the outside and then work our way in. One thing I'm gonna talk about on the outside that you can see immediately as soon as you walk up is the streamlined design of this RV. It is clean, neat, it blends right in. It's just a very clean look. We haven't seen that too much. Sometimes RVs can get a little bit busy with what they have going on, but Grech did a great job of just streamlining it, clean look. It's a great looking RV all the way around. One of the main things that makes this RV great is not so much what you can see on the inside or outside, it's about what's underneath. This is a Mercedes Sprinter chassis, 3500. Usually they come with leaf springs in the back. So what Grech does is they actually remove the leaf springs and they added VB air suspension to it. What does that do for you? It's a more comfortable ride, it's a lot more stable, and it's actually one of the only air suspensions that's backed by the Mercedes factory, which is great. One of the main things that makes an RV great is the things that you can't see on the inside or on the outside, the stuff that goes into the build quality. Grech understands that. So for instance, the screws are stainless steel, so they won't corrode, they won't rust. A lot of the supports that are underneath for the ground effects are stainless steel, so they won't corrode, won't rust. The compartment for your water and your hookups and everything, that's also stainless steel. That costs more money, but it's better for your ownership overall and for the lifetime of the coach. One great new advancement we've seen in the RV business over the last couple of years is lithium batteries. Those have replaced generators. But you might ask, what's the big deal? Let me tell you. So before, generators have been known to be not the best in terms of efficiency or definitely not quiet. Lithium eliminates both of those, in addition to providing you clean, quiet power for quite a long time. Grech realized this, so they do have the option to add the Lithionics 1260 amp hour lithium battery option. So what does that do for you exactly? Well, if you want to run your AC, there's no generator, you can run it right off the lithium batteries, and that provides up to 10 hours of your AC running continuously without having the lithium batteries have to be recharged. And how do you recharge them? Easy. One, just plug it in as you normally would in any other RV. Second way, on these B vans, they add an auxiliary alternator which powers that separate battery pack. aside from the chassis alternator. So it separates that, charges it right on its own. And to help keep those batteries recharged, there's also a 300-watt ZAMP solar panel system on the roof. That comes with that lithium package as well. So in addition to not only charging with either the chassis or being plugged in, you can also use the sun to help out as well. In the Class B segment, you get everything in a tight package, which is great, but you make use of the room that you have, which is not that much. Usually, with hookups and whether it be power or water, they're usually in different spots, not to mention low to the ground. But Grech saw an opportunity here. In addition to making something that's sleek and clean, they also took the opportunity to hide the all-in-one center that they have. And when I say all-in-one, is they put everything together in a nice, off-the-ground, hidden compartment. This is great. Easy to use, everything's simple, it's all labeled. They even have a power waste hose reel. You don't see that too much. In addition to putting everything all in one compartment and off the ground, easy to access, is their use of stainless steel again. I mentioned earlier that they used a lot of stainless steel screws throughout the whole unit, whether it be on the inside, outside, but they also took that and ran it here. So not only do you see stainless steel screws, which are not going to rust or corrode, but also the surrounding for this all-in-one compartment is also stainless steel. Grech did a really great job of tying in technology with this coach as well. One thing they did is they added the Firefly system. So that system actually gives you multiple points to control a lot of the things in the coach, in addition to controlling it right from your app itself. So I could, if I wanted to, whether I'm outside of the unit or inside the unit, turn the lights on, turn the air conditioning on and off, or I could even extend or retract my awning. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Just a push of the button and I can control almost everything. Very easy. One big thing that sets Grech apart from a lot of the other models that we've seen in this segment is their use of quality materials. That makes a big difference, and you notice it as soon as you walk in. Whether it be from the twill flooring that you have, or the soft leather seats, even these Corian countertops set it apart from a lot, and you'll notice it right away. As you walk through the rest of the unit, you'll know a lot of the small things that really set this apart. Whether it be the ambient lighting, the quality lights, or even one of my favorite things too, is the power shades. Just with one push of a button, you can control either each window individually or all of them. That also can be controlled from that app that we had talked about earlier. As I mentioned earlier, one big thing with Class Bs is making the best use of space. And one of the pain points that we've seen before is having that all-in-one package, but also including a wet bath that makes sense and is actually usable. Grech did a great job with this, with the space that they used in this wet bath. It doesn't feel like a traditional wet bath, gives you plenty of room, and one thing that I have not seen before is a window. I have never seen a window in a bathroom, and that's exactly what's in here, at least not in this segment. But overall, it doesn't give you the feel of you're in a small Class B bathroom. So they did a really good job here, and I absolutely think it's something to note. Another challenge to getting everything you want in a small package is hot water. A lot of RVs in this segment will use a hot water heater that has a very small tank. Not to mention it takes a while to get warm. So Grech took this opportunity to use, again, another quality component, something that we don't see too much, which is a diesel Timberline heater. And not only is it the hot water heater, but it's also continuous, and it's also utilized for the furnace as well. It's a great fuel source. It'll actually draw from the chassis tank instead of having a separate LP tank on this certain model. But it is a very efficient hot water heater, which is also continuous, so you'll never run out as long as there's water in that fresh tank, in addition to keeping the coach warm when it counts. We've seen a lot of things that make the Grech RV a great coach, but one other thing I want to mention is their warranty. That is one of the best warranties in the market that we've seen so far. It is actually a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty from Grech. That's hard to compete with, but it backs their quality in the coach, and it shows that they stand behind it. Thanks for joining us on our exclusive look at the Grech Strada. If you'd like to check one out for yourself, head over to generalrv.com or go take a look at one in person at one of your local General RV superstores. Thanks.